Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of PJ's Cocktails. Let's see what fabulous cocktail PJ has for us today.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of PJ's Cocktails. Hopefully you've liked what you've seen so far, and you're making some of these cocktails, because I'm definitely making them, and I'm definitely drinking them. And this is the first one today, so we're going to be fairly sober for this one. So today's episode is going to bring me a drink, take me back to my Seattle roots, where I lived for many, many years, and this was called Emerald Rain. Emerald Rain. So stay tuned, everybody. We'll be right back, and we're going to put this puppy together. Thanks again for tuning in to PJ Cocktails. We'll be right back. Alrighty, welcome back. Are you ready? Have you got all your ingredients ready to go? I guess I didn't tell you what they were. We're going to have 4 ingredients in this. We're going to have vodka, orange juice, lime juice, and Hypnotiq. We're going to garnish that with a little lime wheel. And we're going to shake this up in our shaker, and we're going to pour it over a rocks glass. So are you ready? I think so. Well, let's get this puppy to bed. Or in our guts. Should I say bed? Nah, bed's not good. Let's get this puppy to our lounge. First thing we want to do, that's nice. Alrighty. First thing, then right after the ice, we're going to add a little vodka. 1 ounce. 1 ounce of vodka. Then a ½ ounce of orange juice. 1/4 ounce of pure lime juice. And then 2 ounces of Hypnotiq. Now, this is the first time I've used Hypnotiq in any drink, and actually, I do not even believe I've had Hypnotiq before, so I have no idea what that's going to taste like. We're going to find out right now. All right, let's shake this puppy up. And a little on this side. Oh man, that thing chills up quickly. All right, now, as I've said before, I am not a professional bartender. But we're having fun making drinks. And to all my followers out there who used to follow me as Uber DC, I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing on my PJ's Cocktail channel. So here we go. I'm going to add some ice to the glass. And yes, I did wash my hands. All right. And here we go. This, my friends, is Emerald Rain. Emerald Rain. All right, there'll be no extra for a shot on this episode. Let's put this down here on the side. All right, let's get my lime wheel out. Have a deep cut there on that one. And ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the Emerald Rain. Now, tell me what you think. That's about as far as I can reach. That looks pretty nice. I know it doesn't look like rain, but it's Emerald Rain. All right, we'll be right back, and we'll do a taste test, and we'll tell you exactly what I think. Stay tuned, everybody. The best part of the show is coming right up. Alrighty. Little housekeeping all done there. Now, let's give this puppy a taste. Cheers, everybody. That is really good. I'm not sure how to describe what Hypnotiq smells like or tastes like. But mixed with the vodka and the orange juice and the lime juice, man, it's actually pretty good. It's pretty good. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to like an emerald green. If you haven't made one already, let this be the first time you've seen it and go out and get the ingredients. Once again, vodka, orange juice, lime juice, Hypnotiq, garnish with a lime if you like. At the end of this video, I'll have the ingredients listed again. And once again, thank you all very, very much. I really appreciate the support of my new channel, PJ's Cocktails. Which used to be Uber DC. If any of you are confused, I had changed it over to capture all of you wonderful people to share these fabulous cocktails. So with that, we are out of here, ladies and gentlemen. Take care, be safe, and drink responsibly. Oops, forgot my drink.